Today we're in Cambridge, Minnesota, demonstrating the Chariot Bucket to one of our existing customers, Sign Mines of Minneapolis.
My name is Collin Hoffman, and I work for Sign Mines, and I've been there for a little over 17 years.
What do you like about being a sign installer?
I guess that it's just different every day. You're not doing the same old thing, and you get to be outside, which is one thing that I really like. Even if it's the dead of winter and the heat of summer or raining or whatever, I guess. Those are the bad days, but you get the good days outside too.
And what's the worst part about it?
I suppose the winter. Yeah, and it's just hard work. You don't, you're expected to do everything from heavy lifting to working in the rain and all sorts of stuff. So
yeah,
it's kind of just a hard job, I guess, really.
What did you think about the Chariot Bucket, the design of the round bucket and the accessories? Was that helpful today?
Yeah, definitely. The Chariot Bucket is definitely a step up. Being able to not have to park right in front of something and being able to swivel the legs is a major help with everything, with raceways or pillbox. I was pretty amazed at how easy this one was to roll. It just easily swiveled. Yeah, it's nice because you can move it without moving yourself, kind of thing. You can have it at a certain angle. Yeah, the accessories were great too. It's a lot of great innovation from where it was before. There's a lot of different things you can do with all that stuff. Having the legs higher up for raceways and pillboxes and stuff like that is a great help.
Do you see any advantages to this box compared to the van body?
Yeah, for sure. Storage, keeping things a little better organized. You can definitely fit more stuff in there. Having the side boxes too would be awesome. That you can just get to your tools without having to climb in. Like here we have to open doors, climb in, go through all your stuff, and then climb back out. Well, if you have it loaded with channel letters or a big sign in there, you can't really get to it all. So, yeah, having the storage on the exterior is pretty awesome.
In case you're curious, this storefront installation took Collin and Nick about 5 hours to complete, and the entire installation was accomplished from one parking position. Can the van ladder tackle all the work of a big truck? No. But you'll be surprised at how efficiently it can tackle most of your work.